My dcst922 weed eater has stopped working, battery is new and full charged. Unit will not start.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your weed eater? How old is it?
I keep it clean, it is 13 months old.
How long has this been going on with your weed eater? What have you tried so far?
It just happened about 30 minutes ago for the first time.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, not that I can think of.
Hello, thank you for contacting JustAnswer. My name is. I'll be happy to help with your question. Have you tried cleaning the contacts on the weed eater? Sometimes corrosion can set in over time and not allow the battery to make a good connection.
No, I have not gone into the machine. I will check those tomorrow and let you know. Thanks.
Okay. I may not be available tomorrow. Sometimes you have to twist those connectors as you push them together. If it's an older pressure washer, then try some oil on the connectors too.
I have decided to take my DeWalt trimmer to the DeWalt Repair Center in San Antonio. I could not find anything wrong with the battery connections. Thanks for your response.
You're very welcome. Have a great day, John.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.